In June of 2019, Shannon and yours truly traveled to Egypt for a 2-week-long educational tour. Now, the common belief is that I only spend money on home renovations, power tools, and the occasional taco, and that I don't even spend money on clothing because Instructables sends them all to me for free. I'm here to tell you, Instructables only makes t-shirts and hoodies, so unless I'm gonna walk around like Donald Duck, that ain't happening. Travel started with a car ride to the Logan Airport and then a quick flight from Boston to JFK. After a short layover, we boarded another plane for the 10.5-hour flight to Cairo. I knew it was a desert landscape, but I wasn't expecting every building to share the beige color palette. Once in Cairo, we were greeted by a tour representative, acquired our in-country visas, filtered through customs, and then took a van ride to the first hotel. As you can tell from the pictures, there's a lot of windblown sand, rooftop rubble, and an extreme amount of satellite dishes. I found these elevated structures extremely interesting. One, because of the pop of color, but two, they're like a fort on top of the building. This was my first sighting of the Giza pyramids, and it's such a juxtaposition. You got the ancient monuments in the background, modern buildings, a strip of green, and then piles of rubble next to the roadway. Then we finally arrive at the Mena House Hotel, which we will call home for the next 2 nights. This was originally a hunting lodge and is now owned by the Marriott. There was a guard station out front, armed guards. Every vehicle had to stop, turn off the engines. They run a dog around, throw mirrors underneath looking for bombs. It's pretty crazy. This tour wasn't fully inclusive, but it was pretty close. Hotels, the cruise ship, 3 meals a day, in-country travel, buses, boats, horses, in-country flights, all the access passes to the sites, private access to multiple sites. The only out-of-pocket expenses were for souvenirs, photo and video passes, and tipping. Initially, I found tipping to be very annoying. Everyone seems to have their hand out. They're always trying to sell you something. You have to pay to go to the bathroom. However, money talks. You slip a few bills to the Guardian, that chamber that was off limits all of a sudden becomes special permissions.